Okay, today I'm gonna do a quick video on this is the 8th day of my 21 days challenge. So today I'm going to speak about how to relax your mind, take control of the mind. You can do this through meditation early in the morning, and so look for a proper meditation, and that will help uh, release the anxiousness, the stress in your body, and also affirm your intention for the day, and give you a rest of mind. Because a mind that is rested well, a mind that is focused, will achieve as much as possible. So try as much as possible to take away distraction, take away anything that's in worries and all those things. Worries, yes, you have to be concerned, but worrying about the thing doesn't stop it from happening. It's only rob you of the power to think, the power to find solution, the power to, um to overcome. From time to time, you feel overwhelmed. Uh, the only reason most people don't give up in their job 9 to 5 is that because they're all they know that they are they are accountable to their employer, and so you cannot stay away from work no matter how bad it is you're feeling, unless you're sick. And then sometimes you're even sick and you still have to go there, and then maybe go for treatment from there. So these are the accountability or things you need to do to yourself. When you set a task, it doesn't matter how you feel for the day, you have to do it. And don't make it so difficult for you. Shoot it in the morning. Try to be spontaneous. Thank you. Bye.